How to change Outlook password on phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can change your Outlook password on phone. In order to change your Outlook password on phone, first of all, you need to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. After that, open up a web browser of your choice, and then on the web address bar, type in outlook.live.com. Make sure that you're already logged into your account. After you're logged into your account, it's going to direct you to the home page. Once you're on this page, go to your profile icon located in the upper right corner of your screen. After that, go to My Microsoft account. Now this is going to direct you to the info page of your account. Right on top, there is an option as change password. If you want to change your password, go ahead and tap on the option. Now it's going to direct you to the page where you'll be able to change your password. First of all, you need to verify your identity. For that, you need to select whether you have the access of this particular account or the registered email address or not. First of all, you need to type in the above mentioned email address or the registered email address and click on send code, which is right at the bottom. Now a verification code will be sent to the following registered email address. Open up your Gmail and then check for the verification code. So as you can see, there is the code, so copy this code in and paste it right over here. After that, click on the verify button. So as you can see, now you'll be able to make changes with your password. So first of all, you need to type in the current password. As soon as you're done typing the current password, you need to type in the new one. After that, you need to re-enter it for the confirmation and click on the save button. Your password will be changed. After that, you need to log in with your updated information, and that is basically how you can change your password on Outlook. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.